with this cute little, I'm gonna make a cute little shelf sitter. So I got this Hobby Lobby, I think. And this beautiful paper by Decoupage Queen. To me, it screams beach. And then, y'all, I'm using this. It's a faux shell, and I got that from the Dollar Tree. Right, so we're gonna be just decoupaging that on here. I'm gonna try to cut that, a little bit of that off if I got my tool. Okay, so y'all, this fit perfectly on here. I'm gonna do a little bit of painting on this. So anyway, this is what this looks like. That's what I love the colors in it. I mean, it doesn't say beach or anything like that, but I love the colors. Okay, so we're gonna use the Pen Art wax paste in, I think it's just gold. Yeah, it's just gold, but look, it's just a gold paste. Actually, I've used a lot of this. So I'm just going to go around the edges and kind of highlight this little shell. It's fit perfectly in here. So we are going to, we're just going to glue that down. Okay, so I'm gonna do, let's do B7000 in hot glue. We'll do the combination. See how that fit? How cute is that? I love this paper. Love it. Love it, love it. I'm gonna take some of this paint. We're gonna kind of dry brush this on here, and then put a little bit of gold on there. All right, so we got the blue on there, just real light. It's not covering the whole thing, but that'll work. Oops. And then I'm gonna go over a little bit with this gold. All right, so I barely touched it with that gold right there. Okay. So now we're gonna put, we're gonna use our bling wrap, our silver bling wrap. Y'all, these come in rose gold, gold, silver, and black. Y'all go check this out. Look how much I've used. These rolls are huge. We're gonna put this like over, we're gonna bling it out, y'all. We're gonna bling it out. So yes. See, how cute is that? I love that. Cute little seahorse. Is that not cute? So we're gonna use that, and then look at the shell, and it's got some bling, a pearl, and then you got your starfish. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love that starfish. All right, so we're gonna just jazz this up. I'm just gonna put these on here. Cute, cute. All right, he's gonna go in the middle, and that. So, and that's it for this, y'all. How cute and fast, right? To do a shell, kind of the same way, but okay, how am I gonna do this? Okay, I think I'm just gonna trace this out real quick, and let's see if this can go in here somehow. And you can use, like I said, you know, Mod Podge if you have Mod Podge or whatever decoupage medium. So, look how pretty that is. I like that color. I like that look on that paper. Like I said, it's this paper here, so really pretty. All right, so we're gonna do the gold on here too. I don't know. So I don't have any gold, but I think so cute. Okay, if that doesn't fall off, that's not bad. That doesn't fall off. Yes. Okay, y'all.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.